When it comes to cutting a log this way, it's pretty dangerous. Cutting a log this way is just as dangerous. And most of the time we're trying to get as straight a line as possible. We've got the log mill. We just simply tighten that right into place. So we'll turn this around. When's the last time you were able to cut a log that easy? Straight, accurate, and that platform is right close to the blade so that it won't yank everything into the blade. So now we've got the bottom of the log cut, and the reason I say the bottom is we're just going to loosen this and roll that log down. Now we've got two sides of that log flat, so we no longer need the mill. We've got usable lumber right out of the old fire pile.